Are you looking for privacy? Are you looking for serenity? Are you looking for a gorgeous custom home with incredible views at a great value? Robert Yazbek here with Team Yazbek at Coldwell Banker. Coming to you from a gorgeous house in Stagecoach. To say attention to detail and well-maintained is an absolute understatement for this house. This house is immaculate and very, very well cared for. The architecture has really done a great job bringing the outdoors in. The incredible log details and character logs are mesmerizing. The natural stone, all regionally sourced, really adds a warm feeling to this home. This home was custom built in 2004. It's a little over 4,300 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, and too many incredible custom features to imagine. You'll find cherry floors and cherry cabinets and trim throughout. The kitchen is absolutely to die for. A custom cabinetry package with every incredible feature that you can imagine. This home is very efficient with blown-in insulation and low-E windows throughout. Utility bills are very low considering the size of the home and the size of the windows to take in the incredible views.